Hello class, good morning. Our topic for today is solving problems involving percentage that you can see on page 256 to 258. First example is 30 pupils are in the gym, 12 are playing basketball. What percent of pupils are playing basketball? So we can solve this problem using a table. Let's say this table is 30 pupils. So, and this one is considered as 100%. 30 pupils. So, if we're gonna divide this one into 5 equal parts, let's say this is 5 equal parts. So, this is 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, equal to 100%. And we will also divide 30 into 5 equal parts. So 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Since we're looking for the percentage of 12 pupils, what percent of the pupils are playing basketball? So 12, this one, 6 and 6. So if we're gonna add the percent, it means that 40% of the pupils are playing basketball. Another way of solving this one is using the formula rate is equal to percentage over base. So our percentage is 12 and our base is 30. So 12, 30. And to solve this one, we can just divide. So 30 divided by 12. Since we cannot divide this, then just add 0, then decimal point before 0. 30 divided by 120, the answer is 4. 4 times 30 is 120. So the answer is 0.4 or 40%. Gary spent 30% of his money. How much did he have before he spent 150 pesos? So let's say 30% is 150, or the 30% of the whole is 150. So meaning to say this one, 10% is equal to 50 pesos. So if 10% is equal to 50 pesos, then this one, 3 times 50. 3 times 50 is equal to 150. That is the 30%. What about 70%? Since each unit is equal to 50%. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. So 7 times 50 is equal to 350. To add 150 plus 350, the answer is 500. So it means that Gary has 500 pesos before he spent 150 pesos. Another way of solving this problem is using the percentage base times rate. But since the missing is base, so the formula would be turned to base is equal to percentage divided by rate. So our base is missing. Then the percentage is 150 divided by the rate, which is 30% or 0.3. So how to divide this one? For you to easily divide this one, just move the decimal point of this one to make as a whole number. So 3. Then you also move the decimal point of the dividend. So 1. From 150 to 1,500, then divide 3 times 1,500. 3 times 15 is 5. 3 times 5 times 3 is 15. 0. You can also bring down 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Bring down 0. Then 0 times 3 is 0. 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. So the answer is 0. So the quotient is 500. Or the base is equal to 500. The population of the city of Manila in 2010 and 2015 are 1,652,171 and 1,780,148 respectively. What is the population growth rate, or this is what we call the percent of increase? So for us to get the population growth rate, just divide the old first is you need to subtract or get the difference, the original number and the new number, or the population in 2015 and 2010. So 1780 48 minus 1652 171. So 8 minus 1 is 7. 4 minus 7 cannot be. Borrow 7. This one is 0. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then 0 minus 2. This one is 7. This is 9. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Or 7 minus 5 is 2. Then 7 minus 6 is 1. So the difference of 2015 and 2010 is 127,977. So how can we get the population growth rate or percent of increase? So percent of increase is equal to the amount to increase, or the difference, divided by the original amount or the original number, which is the 2010 population, 1,652,171 times 100%, since we are looking for the percent of increase. So if we're going to divide this one times 100%, the answer is 7.75%. I will repeat the process on how to get the percent of increase. Get the difference of the new and the old number. The next is the formula for percent of increase is the difference or the amount of increase divided by the original amount times 100%. Then you can get the percent of increase.